Welcome back, YouTubers. Roger with Gateway Cycles coming to you from beautiful Mount Sterling, Kentucky. And I've got a nice new machine for you here today. We've got a Vulcan 800. This is the 1998 model. Nice purple flame job on silver. Good looking feed twin motor there. Looks like we got some Vance and Hines pipes on it. Spoke front wheel. Looks like some carry Aiken grips on it there. We'll do a walk around here. Good looking little machine here. Headed out for a test drive. She rides really great. Good power, good acceleration, good smooth ride. And that is a very comfortable seat, by the way. Take a look at the back end here, guys. And let me show you the dash here. We got about 16.9 on it. Nice, reasonable mileage. And while we're here, let's fire this thing up. I think I got to take this one off the kickstand to fire it up. We'll see here. Bear with me here, guys. There we go. Yeah, good sounding bike, guys. And kickstand goes down, bike goes off. Come on down here and check us out at Gateway Cycles in Mount Sterling, Kentucky, or you can check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles. And don't forget to check out our YouTube page. And please hit the like and subscribe button. That lets us know that you're liking the videos, and we'll keep trying to get them out to you. And if you have any comments, just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys.